So we got some interesting things going on here, guys. We got two leaked screenshots. One shows a Galaxy Z Fold FE Snapdragon, obviously the Exynos chip, which is obviously for the international version of the Z Fold Fan Edition. This is probably going to be the US version, which is going to be the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip. RAM, 12 gigabytes of RAM. We don't know what the other option is. I guess there is a 16 gigabytes of option, maybe? Because it actually does show more than one number, but this is blocked out. So I'm going to guess 12 gigabytes of RAM. There might be a 16 gigabyte version. So maybe they go with like a fan edition of one is $1,500. That's 12 gigabyte version. Then maybe the 16 gigabyte version is $1,800. And then, you know, something else. The regular version of the phone is going to be like $2,000. We don't know with Samsung. 256 gigabyte storage, 512. Makes sense. And then the folded, unfolded category is blurred out. For the Z Flip series, it says the Z Flip Fan Edition right here. Snapdragon, again, 8 Gen 4 processor, most likely. Freaking advertisement. Sorry, guys. Nonetheless, though, 12 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigabytes, 512. And then folded, unfolded. And there's also a, again, Exynos processor, which is usually the international versions of Samsung's phones. So, kind of cool. Kind of dope. Not gonna lie to you. Again, what's the validity of these screenshots? Well, they were posted to SamsungMobile.com or SamMobile.com, who usually is very reliable when it comes to Samsung's leaks and information. So that is very nice. Again, like I said, at the end of the day, we're not going to find out until July. Not July. July is when they're coming out. We're going to find out probably sometime in the next month or so what we're actually getting here, right? And again, like I said, as it says right here, the alleged Galaxy Z Fold Fan Edition is a bit of a red flag. If you look closely, the blurred out screenshot indicates the phone isn't powered by an Exynos 2200 or 2400 chip, but known as the Exynos SoC that starts with a 2. It could be a non-existent Exynos 2300. It could be an old leak that no longer affects Samsung's current plan. So, again, like I said, this has been the most craziest kept secret, I feel like, of any foldable phone launch. It's just, what is this second variant? We know there's a second variant. We know that for a fact. But the fact is it a expensive ultra version, or is it going to be a fan edition? Samsung just came out and said that they're not interested in a lower-end model of their cell phone, but then we get more information like this. And now it's like, who is telling the truth? Who is not telling the truth? We just have to wait at this moment in time. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.